Welcome back. Time now for the business day. Jamaica's tourism sector is set for stronger European traffic this summer as airlines expand capacity from the United Kingdom and continental Europe. The Jamaica Tourist Board says more than 160,000 airline seats will be available from those markets for the summer 2026 travel period, reflecting growing confidence in the destination. From the United Kingdom, British Airways, TUI, and Virgin Atlantic will collectively offer over 136,000 seats, an increase from roughly 125,000 last year. TUI will also provide the largest share of capacity, followed by British Airways and Virgin Atlantic, with flights connecting London, Manchester, and Birmingham to Kingston and Montego Bay. Meanwhile, continental Europe is emerging as a fast-growing source market. 5 airlines will operate 105 direct flights into Sangster International Airport between May and October, delivering nearly 35,000 seats, a 46% increase year over year. Flights will originate from Amsterdam, Frankfurt, Milan, and Lisbon, with Germany expected to be the region's largest European source market. Scotia Group Jamaica is reporting strong first quarter financial results with higher revenues, expanding assets, and continued growth in lending. For the quarter ending January 31, 2026, the financial institution reported net income of $4.1 billion. The group's asset base also expanded by nearly $80 billion, reaching $818.9 billion. Total revenues, excluding credit losses, climbed to $18.8 billion, representing a 9.9% increase year over year. Customer deposits also grew significantly, rising 11.5% to $547.6 billion. The bank also recorded strong growth in its lending portfolio, with Scotia Plan loans up 16% and mortgages increasing 19% compared to last year. Meanwhile, the commercial banking segment reported a 12% increase in deposits, supported by higher transaction volumes through digital channels. Scotia Group's board has approved a dividend of 45 cents per stock unit payable in April to shareholders on record in March. In the meantime, Scotiabank's president and CEO Audrey Tugwell says steps are being taken to increase ABMs across the country. She says during Hurricane Melissa, the bank lost 17 machines which were severely damaged.
We are very pleased to announce that we have 128 new ABMs on island. So we intend to complete installation of these ABMs during this financial year.
She says steps are also being taken to improve access to persons with disabilities.
Visually impaired clients now have the option to use the audio feature at our ABMs. And additionally, we have added ramps to the ABM sites where the physical layout would allow it. We have added ramps to make access for clients who use wheelchairs to be able to visit and use the ABM seamlessly.
To some currency trading now, foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $157.56. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.93. The pound is going for $210.99, while the euro is selling for an average $184.63. To some news on the stock market, the JSE index advanced by 1,800 points, while the junior market index advanced by 14 points. Overall, market activity resulted from trading in 119 stocks, of which 56 advanced, 36 declined. The winners include A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Paramount Trading, CAC 2000, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund. The losers were led by 138 Student Living, VM Investments, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, G West Corporation, and Caribbean Producers. 27 shares traded firm. And that's the business day. News from overseas after the break.